Hello shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life, and I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. So before I begin the video, first things first, I would really like to thank each one of you for loving and supporting me so much. It really means a lot to me. And if you have just stumbled upon my channel, then a warm welcome to you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma. My page name is Seraphic Star Life. I'm a tarot card reader, spiritual healer, a coach. I love creating tarot guidance, pick a card reading, birthday message videos, spiritual practices, self-healing and manifestation videos on this channel for you all. If you too want to request a birthday reading for yourself or for someone else, then you need to request it a week in advance. My Instagram link and Facebook page link is mentioned in the description box below. Okay, so you can connect me and you can place a request there. All you need to do is message me and let me know at least a week in advance. Alright, now coming to the video, wishing a very beautiful birthday to all the shining stars who have their birthdays today on 8th of October. The video is created with highest intentions to provide guidance about what you need to know right now for your upcoming year and how you can make the most of it using the guidance. So make sure that you do share this video with all your friends, family and loved ones and make their day special with the guidance for their upcoming year. Also, this is a general reading. Please do keep that in your mind, and you may or may not resonate with everything that I share here as a guidance with you. So whatever guidance resonates with you or with your situation, be receptive to it and take it with you. Enjoy the reading. Now, so for all my birthday videos, this is the birthday spread that I use, and this birthday spread has 3 cards. The first card here represents the energy for your upcoming 6 months, right? The second card here represents your strength or the lessons that you need to learn in this particular year. The third card here is your ultimate potential for this upcoming year. All right, so looking at these cards all together, one thing is sure, that in this upcoming year, spiritually, you all are going to evolve a lot. Wherever you are right now, whatever situations are there, but you are definitely going to evolve and learn a lot from these situations. Now let's just look what each energy of this card is going to bring in. So like the first card here is the High Priestess. Okay, so your energy for the upcoming 6 months, having this card here as your upcoming 6 months energy, I feel a lot of you are going to start exploring the spiritual side of you, by which I mean shedding or leaving behind everything that isn't real. Could mean leaving behind the fake people, situations or anything that isn't of real value. The guidance from your fairies is to meditate, trust your intuition, keep your good things, okay, to you only. That means, by that I mean that whatever is happening, if you are working on some big projects, so keep all those things to you till the time you actually execute them or till the time you manifest them into your life. All right, and also this is a phase where you will start a journey towards inward. You see this card here, the Hermit. So having both these cards here, I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to start a journey towards inwards, connecting with your higher self and not really, being connected with the outside world, as you have this intent to explore the other world which is beyond the material world. It is always good to explore our spiritual side, as it helps us in seeing our true potential and live life to the fullest without worrying about the society, leaving behind all the conditions by the society, by our environment. So that is a good part. Next thing is that what I see with the Hermit card as your strength and the lessons that you need to learn in this upcoming year. Like I said earlier, that this is a year all about your spiritual growth. So this card is also showing me a journey of going within, like I said before also, right? And you will be connecting with your own inner guidance rather than seeking some sort of outside wisdom or validation. Look within. The answer lies within you. You may find yourself alone, but this is a time when you are going to gain a lot of wisdom from your higher consciousness. Your higher consciousness could be the god, goddesses, angels, whoever you believe in, right? Or if you don't believe in, so the creator who has created all of us. You are going to get connected with your higher consciousness, your higher conscious mind, to gain this wisdom and find your soul path. Your strength this year is being solitude, as you need space to process your thoughts and feelings. You may feel like breaking with tradition and finding a unique approach to a situation or challenge. What I just said, it's very easy to learn something new in life, but it's very difficult to unlearn the societal conditions, barriers, these social stigmas and all of these things. So this is a year where you are going to break all of those traditions and those social conditionings and find a way for yourself. Do not make any decisions in haste. Take time, do research, explore the facts, as the more you know, the more power you will have, and it will be good for you to take decisions. If you need, find a mentor for yourself to help you understand and connect with your inner guides. Okay, if you really feel lost, then try to find someone who can help you out, and as the saying goes, the teacher will appear on itself. You would really not need to have do much. Someone will definitely come into your life to help you in this particular situation. Also, for some of you, the fairies are also advising you to step into the role of teacher. Share the wisdom you have gathered with others and shine your light. So some of you could have already learned a lot, okay, in this past 1 year, and you are ready at this point of time to share that wisdom, that knowledge, that experience with others, so that you can enlighten them too. All right, now the third card here. This card is ego, the ultimate potential. In this upcoming year, you need to confront your demons. By demons, I mean the fears, okay, your attachment to the things. So what are you addicted to or obsessed with? These are the questions that you need to check within your life. By facing and naming the issue, you can begin the process of untangling yourself. So if there have been any unhealthy temptations, like being way too materialistic, attached to the bad habits, unbalanced lifestyle, basically excess of anything, then it is a time where you need to decide and choose what brings light or darkness within you. In order to heal ourselves, we need to confront our shadow side, and thus don't be afraid to do so, because to bring in any change, you must first accept the truth without any resistance. I'm also feeling for some of you, this could also be reflecting an abusive relationship or unhealthy relationship, or an attachment to a relationship which has already gone from your life. So then the guidance is to walk away, as this relationship is being very toxic in your life, and it's time for you to evolve, to grow, so that the better things can come into your life. So shining stars, that's all that I have for you. It's going to be a lot to cope with, but just trust the divine timing. I hope you like the guidance, and do give a thumbs up to the video. I would really appreciate it, and have a fantastic birthday full of joy, happiness, and lots of positive and divine blessings. This is going to be a great year for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to share it with your friends and family. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect through my Instagram handle mentioned in the description box below. Thank you and namaste.